Intelsys has built-in overtime management system. Any overtime claims must be applied for and the administrator will have to approve the application. Once approved, the will be included in subsequent month's salary. To apply, go to HR. In the HR page, applications can be made and viewed here. To apply for specify the exact date and time of the Specify the reason for the under remark. Select your administrator or supervisor that will approve the Only the administrator or supervisor selected here will be prompted of this application. And click Submit to submit this application. Once submitted, the administrator or supervisor will have to approve this application. This application can be done even after the actual as long it is before the subsequent month's payroll. To view all applications and their status, specify the period to list the from. In this example, we select this year. And click List The applied along with their status will be listed here. If the has been approved, no editing or deleting can be done. However, for that are yet to be approved, they still can be edited or deleted. Will be automatically indicated in the staff's calendar upon application. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Staff's Calendar. Staffs with will be indicated with these red or white circles. Hovering on the circles will show details of the The rate for working on off day, rest day or on holiday is different. If you are doing on these days, make sure the roster on that day is entered as off day. To qualify for off day rate, select one of the following after ticking No. If you are doing on a public holiday, do not enter your name in the roster. Only apply for that day and your name will be automatically included in the roster as If you enter your name in the roster, it will be considered as normal The circle with exclamation mark indicates that this is yet to be approved. For the administrator or supervisor, the number of applications will be shown here. Click on this number to show the applications. The applications will be shown here and can be either approved or rejected. For the HR, public holidays as recognized by the company must be saved at the beginning of every year. This is because the rates on public holidays are different. To enter public holidays, go to the admin page. Click Payroll. Scroll down and click Rates and Holidays. These are the previously saved public holidays. To add a public holiday, specify the start and end dates, the public holiday and click Add. To remove a public holiday, click this close icon. For the HR, the can be viewed and managed in the payroll section. In the admin page, specify the period to list the from. Click Overtimes. Select the employee from this list and click View. The and their status will be listed here. Approved can be deleted by the HR admin by clicking Reject. In the payroll, the approved will be automatically included in the subsequent month's salary. For example, if the is approved for January, the payment will be included in February's salary. Click Enter Wages to see how the is included. In this example, click on the word Salary to show the salary breakdown. All for previous month will be listed under This is the date, time and the amount calculated. H indicates that this is on holiday or off day. 8 indicates that the was for 8 hours. Any hours over 8 hours will be listed separately on the right, in this example is 0. Rate 1 is normal rate. 1.5 means x 1.5 of hourly wage. Rate 2 is rate for holidays or off days, for the first 8 hours. 2.0 means x2 of hourly wage. Rate 3 is OT rate for holidays or off days, for hours beyond first 8 hours. 3.0 means x3 of hourly wage. Days/month and DRS/day show the number of working days per month and number of working hours per day. These are used to derive the hourly wage. That's it, you're done.